Indian cities Manglore and Mumbai are high risk of flooding due to rising sea levels caused by melting of glaciers, says a study conducted by NASA. The warning came after NASA developed a new forecasting tool that can predict which cities will be affected by melting of ice sheets due to global warming. According to NASA's study, the melting of ice sheets could push up Mangalore sea level by 15.98 centimeter and off Mumbai by 15.26 centimeter. The NASA's forecasting observes Earth's spin and gravitational effect to predict how water will be redistributed globally. A NASA scientist said, and I quote, "As cities and countries attempt to build plans to mitigate flooding, they have to be thinking about 100 years in the future, and they want to assess the risk in the same way that insurance companies do." Some reports suggest that the Indian subcontinent may lose around 14,000 square kilometers of land if sea levels rise by a meter. According to a WION report, at least 40 million people in India are at high risk of flooding due to rising sea levels by 2050.